Today we will talk about single-drawn hair versus double-drawn hair. Single-drawn and double-drawn are terms used frequently in the hair extension industry to describe different types of hair. However, if you are new to hair extensions, you may be a little unsure as to what this actually means. To help you understand the differences, here we shall detail what makes hair single or double-drawn, so that you can be 100% sure what you are looking for when choosing a hair extension supplier for your business. Let's see the difference between single-drawn hair and double-drawn hair. Definitions. Single-drawn hair. This hair has been placed in a ponytail or braid and then cut from the donor's head. At this point, the very shortest hairs are removed, the shortest hairs are drawn out, hence the name single-drawn. This leaves some hairs that are shorter than the full length, giving it a slight tapered, layered look. This makes for easy blending and the most natural look. 95% of all real Remy hair is single-drawn. Double-drawn. This type of hair is all one length. There are no shorter hairs in the extensions like single-drawn. All of the short hair has been drawn out. Most of the time double-drawn hair is cheap and non-Remy. Double-drawn Remy hair is very expensive because so much of the hair is discarded. Because of this, very few companies have Remy double-drawn extensions. If you find our videos useful, please make sure that you like and subscribe our channel so that you don't have to search for it again. Benefits. First, let's talk about the benefits of single-drawn hair extensions. There are many positives associated with single-drawn hair extensions, and it is often a popular choice due to its natural finish. As hair naturally grows from our scalp, each of our hairs will have a different growth rate. Therefore, an individual with naturally grown long hair will have hair that is thinner at the tips and tapers off towards the bottom. Equally, single-drawn hair is often cheaper than double-drawn hair. Benefits of double-drawn hair extensions. Double-drawn hair is a great choice if the hair you are after is that of volume and glamour. As the hair extensions are very thick right to the tip, a full-bodied look will be achieved with ease. As the extensions are so thick, it is also likely that you will not need as many as you would for a full head of single-drawn hair extensions, and therefore will not need to purchase quite as many strands. Drawbacks of single-drawn hair extensions. The downsides of single-drawn hair extensions are that you will find a lack of volume in this type of hair extension. If you have a client who is looking for a glamorous look, you will struggle to achieve this with single-drawn hair extensions and will need to trim off a significant amount of length to achieve this look. Drawbacks of double-drawn hair extensions. Although you may be able to get away with purchasing fewer double-drawn hair extensions in comparison to single-drawn hair extensions, on a strand-by-strand basis double-drawn hair can be more expensive than single-drawn. However, you are getting more hair for your money. If you have a client with fine hair, this weight may be too great for their hair to support without causing damage, and therefore double-drawn hair extensions are not suited to everyone. Now, most importantly, which one do you choose? The answer is that it depends on your demand and budget. If you want the natural look with your own available hair and lower price, you can select single-drawn hair extensions. On the other hand, you want the hair with the full end, don't miss the double-drawn hair. Despite the higher cost, I believe that you will deserve what you pay for. If you are interested in single or double-drawn hair, visit our website Hair International and talk with our experts today. You can also mail us at this given address. If you want more informative videos, like and subscribe to our channel.